Good afternoon again, everybody. It is 2:31. It is the 14th of November. The Discovery Earthquake app put up a 5.1 Carolina Islands, Micronesia at 19 miles in depth. There goes another earthquake. Hang on. Good. All right. USGS upgraded that to a 5.2. And it's also a 5.2 on 3 other earthquake apps. Still waiting for Discovery to update theirs. There was a 4.1 China at 5 miles in depth. A 2.0 Federal Way, Washington State at 12 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 Chile. Now this is coming from their seismonic earthquake center. Nobody else's, okay? There was a 3.3 Chile at 33 miles in depth. 2.5 Indonesia. A 3.0 Chile, once again from their own earthquake center at 30 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 west of Athens, Greece. They had it at a 6.1. I'm still waiting on the mileage in depth, And then there was a 4.7 Russia, and it still had it at a 6.1. And then there was a 4.9 South Sandwich Island at 6.2 miles in depth. Hang on, let me see what this one was. This one is the 4.9 as this Discovery, and that was South Sandwich Island. Okay, that's what we got. I'm sorry about blowing off steam in the last video. It just aggravates me no end when USGS hides this. They don't have the earthquakes in the Chile region. It's only on Chile's Earthquake Seismic Center. That's it. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. I'll keep an eye on the earthquakes. If anything else happens in the Indonesia area, I'll let you guys know immediately. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Have a safe day.